10 places in Europe where almost nobody lives. Europe may look crowded on a map, but some corners of the continent feel almost abandoned. There are places where you can travel for miles without seeing another person, where silence replaces traffic, and where nature still dominates the landscape. From Arctic islands to remote mountain wilderness, these locations reveal a side of Europe that few people ever experience. And at number 1 is a region so vast and sparsely populated that it makes even Europe's most remote villages seem busy. These are the 10 places in Europe where almost nobody lives. 10. Apuseni Mountains, Romania. Tucked away in western Romania, the Apuseni Mountains remain one of the quietest regions in Europe. Unlike the crowded tourist destinations found elsewhere on the continent, much of this mountainous area is dotted with tiny settlements separated by forests, valleys, and rugged hills. Some villages contain only a handful of residents, while large stretches of countryside remain almost untouched. One of the most striking sights here is a solitary farmhouse sitting beneath rolling green hills, with no neighbouring buildings visible for miles. The peaceful atmosphere feels worlds away from modern urban life. Yet, as remote as the Apuseni Mountains may seem, there are places in Europe where the population becomes even thinner. 9. The Scottish Highlands, Scotland. The Scottish Highlands are famous for dramatic scenery, but they are also one of Western Europe's most sparsely populated regions. Vast expanses of mountains, lochs, moorlands, and coastline dominate the landscape. Outside a few towns and villages, human settlements become increasingly rare. Driving through parts of the highlands can feel like entering another world. Long stretches of road pass through empty valleys where deer and sheep greatly outnumber people. The beauty is breathtaking, but so is the sense of isolation. It is easy to understand why this region is often considered one of the wildest parts of the United Kingdom. Still, our next destination takes remoteness to an even greater scale. 8. Hardangervidda, Norway. This enormous plateau feels like one of the last great wildernesses in Europe. Hardangervidda covers roughly 8,000 square kilometres, making it one of Europe's largest mountain plateaus. Despite its size, permanent settlements are extremely limited across much of the region. The landscape consists of rocky terrain, tundra, lakes, and snow-covered peaks. During certain times of the year, you can hike for hours without seeing another person. Wild reindeer roam across the plateau, adding to the feeling that nature still rules here. On windy days, the only sounds may be the breeze and distant wildlife. But even Hardangervidda cannot compete with the emptiness waiting ahead. 7. Westfjords, Iceland. The Westfjords represent one of the most isolated regions in Iceland. Separated from much of the country by mountains and deep fjords, this remote peninsula contains only a tiny fraction of Iceland's population. Many communities are small fishing villages clinging to narrow strips of land between steep cliffs and the sea. The roads often wind around dramatic coastlines where travellers may drive for long periods without encountering another vehicle. One unforgettable sight is a lonely farmhouse standing beneath towering mountains while the North Atlantic crashes against nearby cliffs. And yet, there are places where even fewer people choose to live. 6. Kainuu, Finland. In eastern Finland lies a region known for endless forests and remarkable solitude. Kainuu has one of the lowest population densities in the European Union. Dense woodlands, lakes, and wetlands stretch across vast distances, creating a landscape where nature vastly outnumbers people. In some areas, you can travel through forest after forest without encountering more than a few houses. During winter, heavy snow adds another layer of isolation. The silence here can feel almost surreal, but further north, Europe becomes even emptier. 5. Finnish Lapland, Finland. This is where Europe starts to feel truly immense. Finnish Lapland covers a huge portion of northern Finland, yet only a small percentage of the country's population lives here. Vast forests, frozen lakes, and Arctic wilderness dominate the landscape. During winter, darkness can linger for weeks, while summer brings nearly endless daylight beneath the midnight sun. Some roads seem to disappear into the horizon, surrounded by a wilderness in every direction. The scale of the emptiness is difficult to comprehend until you experience it firsthand. And we're only halfway to the most isolated places on this list. 4. Finnmark, Norway. At the northern edge of mainland Europe lies Finnmark. This enormous region is larger than many countries, but contains a surprisingly small population. Villages and towns are scattered across vast distances, separated by tundra, mountains, and rugged coastline. In winter, snow and Arctic conditions reinforce the sense of remoteness. In summer, the midnight sun creates an otherworldly atmosphere that feels unlike anywhere else in Europe. One glance across the open tundra is enough to understand why so few people call this place home. But the next locations take isolation to an entirely different level. 3. Jan Mayen, Norway. Few places in Europe are as lonely as Jan Mayen. Located in the North Atlantic Ocean between Iceland and Greenland, this volcanic island has no permanent civilian population. Instead, only a small rotating group of personnel operates the island's weather and communication facilities. The island is dominated by Beerenberg, an active volcano rising above glaciers and rugged coastline. There are no neighbourhoods, no shopping streets, and no crowds. Just a handful of people surrounded by ocean, ice, and powerful Arctic weather. Even so, two places remain even more isolated. 2. Svalbard, Norway. Far north of mainland Europe sits one of the most remote inhabited places on Earth. Svalbard's population is tiny compared to its enormous size. Most residents live in the settlement of Longyearbyen, while the rest of the archipelago remains largely untouched wilderness. Glaciers cover much of the landscape. Mountains rise sharply from frozen fjords. Wildlife often outnumbers people. The isolation is so extreme that leaving town can require special precautions because of polar bears roaming the region. Yet even Svalbard cannot claim the top spot. 1. Arctic European Russia. The emptiest region in Europe lies in the far north of European Russia. Stretching across enormous areas west of the Ural Mountains, this region contains some of the lowest population densities anywhere on the continent. Vast tundra landscapes, frozen rivers, and endless wilderness dominate the scenery. In some areas, population density drops to fewer than one person per square kilometre. The sheer scale is difficult to grasp. You can travel across enormous distances and encounter very few settlements. During winter, snow and darkness transform the landscape into one of the most remote environments in Europe. Standing here, you quickly realise that Europe still contains immense areas where nature vastly outnumbers humanity. These 10 places in Europe, where almost nobody lives, reveal a side of the continent that many travellers never see. Beyond the famous cities and crowded attractions lies a world of wilderness, silence, and astonishing isolation. If you enjoyed discovering these hidden corners of Europe, there are many more remote places waiting to be explored. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.